I'm in theater. I do theater technology, and I got a call from my folks and from other people saying, we're doing a concert called A Taste of Yiddish, or I think it was A Taste of Yiddish, doesn't matter, in New York. Can you come in? I came in and I was the stage manager. And was sitting there, and among other people, we had David Apatashu, who's both an English actor and who'd grown up. His dad was a Yiddish writer, who was a good friend of my grandparents, but I didn't know that at that point. But one of the, I knew this actor was going to be speaking. I thought it was going to be in English. I didn't know he was fluent in Yiddish, but there he was. He was going to be part of this program. We were there, and of course, because it was the whole family who was there, my grandmother was there as well, my Bubba was there as well, Bubba Esther. And we were sitting there minding our own business, and I'm trying to get things set up, and she's sitting in the auditorium, and David Apatashu is doing his sound check, and then he looks out in the auditorium, lights were on, looks at it and says, Esther'll? And we sort of look over going, what? Turns out that she babysat him. My Bubba Esther babysat him. One of the ways they made ends meet, because being a progressive worker didn't make a lot of money. My grandfathers, they were okay, but they didn't make a lot of money. So she ran a boarding house. And a lot of the writers would stay with them. And, so this was one of the kids got left with her, and she took care of him, David Apatashu. So we were all he jumped down off of the stage and went down and gave her a big hug, and it was beautiful.